In this video, I'm going to show you how to make several pegboard attachments. I'll show you some of the other basic attachments, and then at the end, I'll show you how my pegboard's attached to the wall. One issue you might have with a pegboard is how easily the hooks fall out. You can solve this by buying some of the hook locks. These locks just go straight across the hook, and it secures it to your pegboard. So now I'll show you the different accessories and how I use them. These are the 8-inch shelf brackets. So you attach them to the pegboard and you can lay a wooden shelf across it. So here I'm using one of the longer straight hooks, and I'm going to use a section of PVC pipe and put it over it. Here I'll show you how to make the bit holder. You can use it to hold your drill bits or router bits. The first step is to mark your hook locations. So hold your piece of wood up to the pegboard and mark where your hooks will go. Now I'm drilling the holes in the locations I marked. Insert your hooks and hammer them in. Here I'm drilling the holes that will hold my drill bits. So now I'm ready to hang my new bit holder. This is an easy way to keep your caulk tubes organized. Just put duct tape over the tip and hang it from one of the hooks. Here I'll show you how to make a simple wrench holder. Take a piece of wood and drill some holes so that you can hammer some wooden dowels in. I actually just used some kebabs that I had that were left over from grilling. Now I'm just trimming the dowels to the right length. Once I have the dowels cut, I'll just hammer them into the holes I drilled. Once the dowel's in place, it's ready to go. This next attachment is just a simple screwdriver holder. I'm just taking another piece of wood and drilling holes large enough to hold my screwdrivers. And now I'll just show you how I use the other attachments that came with my pegboard. So my pegboard's hung by being attached to 1x2s. The 1x2s are ran horizontally, and those are actually screwed into the studs. I did this so I could attach my pegboard to the 1x2 and not to the stud itself. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.